This is 5.4b, still factoring polynomials, and this is the special factoring patterns of a sum of two cubes or the difference of two cubes. This is a pattern that you'll have to memorize. So, if we have two things that are cubed, and A and B can represent either letters or numbers, we can factor those by saying a squared plus b, or sorry, not a squared, a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Now if I have the difference of two cubes, a cubed minus b cubed, what's the only difference in here? We have a sign change, don't we? Instead of a plus b, it's a minus b here. Instead of a squared minus ab, it's a squared plus ab. And it's the same b squared here, plus b squared. So these two signs are the only difference between the sum or the difference patterns. Okay, let's go back to examples. Factor the sum or the difference of cubes. Number 13. S to the third minus 1. Now, are those both cube terms? Yes. My a here would be s, and my b would be 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And this is a difference, so we're going to use a difference pattern. So we have a minus b, so s minus 1. Here we have a squared, so s squared, plus a times b, s times 1. We're going to flip that around for 1s, and then we're going to take off the 1. So just plus s, and then plus b squared. 1 times 1 is 1. So that would be my factoring pattern. Let's try another one. Try 14. 14 is another cubes, but this time it's the sum of cubes. So my a would be q, and my b would be 1. I think it's helpful if you go ahead and write these out so you can follow the pattern better. So let's go back up here and look at this pattern. That would be a plus b, so q plus 1. A squared would be q squared minus a times b. Again, I'm going to flip it around so it's 1 times q because that's the proper grammar term. Then I'm going to take off the 1 because that's also proper. So minus q plus b squared. 1 squared is 1. And that would be my answer for 14. Let's look at something a little bit more complicated. 18. On 18, do we have cubes here? Yes. What's my cube root of 8? What times what is 8? So that would be 2. So my a is 2, y this time. And my b would be 5 times 5 is 25 times 5 is 125. So my b is 5. So I'm just going to follow the pattern this time. It's a difference, so I'm going to follow the difference pattern. So a minus b is 2y minus 5. I'm running out of time, so let's see if I can do this quick. A squared is 4y squared minus ab is minus 10y plus b squared is plus 25.